Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter decimal fractions, exercise 4D, page number 65. Let us see question 3. What is the heading given? Convert into vulgar fraction. We have to convert the given decimal fractions to vulgar fractions. Not only how to convert as a vulgar fraction is the question for us. That is an ordinary fractions. Vulgar means like an ordinary fraction here. Now 0.3 bar is a decimal fraction. That we have to convert to an ordinary fraction. Or the numerator should be here 1 we have, and like an ordinary fraction we have got it. See once this 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar is equal to, here 0 is there no? Here should be 0 for us to continue this process. Then that 3 only I have taken, which is under the bar, that is taken here, minus, in this decimal part too, no other digit is there. In the decimal part, no other digit is there. No other digit means that can be 0. Nothing is there, no? That is 0 only. By how many digits are under the bar? Only one digit is under the bar. That's why 1 time 9 we have to write. If one digit is under the bar, 1 time 9 I have to write in the denominator. If 2 digits are there under the bar, 2 times 9 I have to write in the denominator. So based on that, here first this is the question given. In that starting should be 0, and this is the digit which is under the bar, that digit I have written, minus, in the decimal part too, only this much is there, nothing other than that. Nothing means 0, so minus 0 by, here only one digit is under the bar, that's why I have written 1 time 9 in the denominator. Now 3 minus 0 is 3, by that 9 is written. Now cancellation with 3 table. 3 ones 3, 3 threes are 9, gives you answer 1 by 3. 0.3 bar given question is equal to 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 is a vulgar fraction or an ordinary fraction for the given question, that is 0.3 bar, that is a decimal fraction for us. Of course it is a repeating decimal because bar is there. Already we learned repeating or a recurring. Is it clear? Finally 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. Same way 4.4 bar. In this 4.4 bar is not having a 0 in the starting like 0.3 bar. Here 0 is there. But here we don't have 0. That's why what we need to do, that 4 I have to write as it is 4, plus this 0.4 bar can be written as 0.4 bar. Here some clarity was shown as a rough work. That 4 is called 4.0, this 0.4 bar, 0.4, and if we add, we will get 4.4. That is only this 4.4 bar actually. So from that we can write this step. Is it clear now students? So by adding a whole number with a decimal fraction or a decimal number, both we will get the given question 4.4 bar. Why should we do like this? Because we want to get 0 in the starting place. That's why we have to get like that. As I said earlier, here is a 0 starting. Like that here also we have got 0 when we read that question like this, with addition of 2 numbers. It is a whole number and it is a decimal number or a decimal fraction. Okay. Then that 4 same written plus this is 0.4 bar is same like 0.3 bar only, no procedure. Now here 4 is there, that is written, minus, here in the decimal part only 4 is given, nothing other than that. Nothing means 0, minus 0, by here only one digit is under the bar, that's why 1 time 9 I have written in its denominator part. That 4 is written, plus symbol, 4 minus 0 answer is 4 by that 9. 4 plus 4 by 9. The next step, that plus is removed. 4 and this 4 by 9 mixed fraction is written. It is like an ordinary fraction only. Yes? Then given question 4.4 bar is equal to 4 and 4 by 9 as a mixed fraction we have got. This type of answer is called as a vulgar fraction for the given decimal fraction or a decimal number. Is it clear, students? That is the way. It is a rough work actually. For you to understand, I have explained this part. Okay, now? Then we will go for the same page, fourth question. See once. Question 4, first bit 0.35 bar. 2 digits are having bar and starting is 0 is there. Then we can continue our work in the same like previous. Given question is equal to these 2 digits which are under the bar were written here 35 minus. Other than this 35, nothing is there in the decimal part. That's why that nothing means 0 is written. 35 minus 0 by 2 digits are under the bar. That's why 2 times 9 I have written. That is 99. 35 minus 0 is 35 by that 99. And no more common table to cancel them. So given question is equal to 35 by 99. We got it as an ordinary fraction. That is only called as a vulgar fraction. Got some idea? From the repeating decimal, we got a fraction that is called a vulgar fraction. So for that first bit answer is like this. Then in the fourth question, fourth bit we are going to discuss now. Fourth question, fourth bit in the page number 65. Let us see. 5.234 bar. Here 3 digits are having bar. So the question is not having a 0 in the starting. Then this 5 separately written plus other part is written with 0.234 bar. If we add both of them in the rough, you will get the first question what is given only. Then that 5 is written plus symbol. As we expected 0 should be starting we have got. Then 234 minus. In the decimal part nothing is there other than 234 under the bar. That nothing is called 0 only. 234 minus 0 by here 3 digits are there under the bar. So 3 times 9 I have to write in its denominator. This is the procedure to be followed. Then 5 as it is plus symbol. Then that numerator subtraction gives you 234 by 999. We have cancelled with the 9th table. 9 ones 9, 9 ones 9, 9 ones 9. 9 twos are 18. Then 5 is left and 54. 9 6 are 54. Then 5 plus removed and that remaining part 26 by 111. That is a mixed fraction. Of course here it is in a vulgar fraction equal to the given decimal fraction we have got. I hope this sum is clear for you. Again we have in the same page question 5. In that also some models are there. Same method of doing. We will see that part. Question 5. First one 0.37 bar. Only 7 is having bar, not 37. In the decimal part 1 digit only having bar. So far all the digits are having bar in the decimal part. But right now in the question 5, first bit, in the decimal part, 1 digit is under the bar, another digit is free from the bar and not having any bar upon this 3. And starting should be 0. Then this sum we have to do. For the vulgar fraction we have to write steps. Okay now? That is 0.37 bar. Only 7 is having bar. That is called as 37 I have written minus. In the decimal part this 3 is not having bar. No, that 3 I have subtracted. Earlier in the decimal part no digit is there with not having bar. That no digit is there with not having bar means 0 only we treated. But whereas here in the decimal part here is a digit not having bar, that is 3. So that 3 I have written here. Again we are discussing now in the whole thing, in the decimal part what is given, that is written minus. Here is a digit in the decimal part which is not having a bar. That digit 3 I have written by. In the decimal part, how many digits are having a bar? Only one digit is having bar, that is 7. That's why only one time 9 is written. Then other digit, that is also one digit not having a bar on it. So one time 0 I should place. Like that I can write 90 in the denominator. One digit is under the bar, that's why denominator should have one time 9. Another digit is not having a bar, so that one time 0 can be written because of that. Is it clear for you, students? Then 37 minus 3, 34 by that 90. Now with the 2 table we can cancel them. 2 17s 34, 2 45s 90. 2 table used. Now no more common table. 17 by 45 remains as answer. That is the vulgar fraction, and it is also can be an ordinary fraction for the given repeating decimal. That is 0.37 bar. With doing this fourth bit in the question 5 fourth bit, if at all we complete it, you will get more idea about it. Let us see that part. The question is 0.442 bar. 0.442 bar. Here 2 digits are under the bar. So that 442 fully written minus the digit which is not having under the bar is written here by 2 digits are under the bar. That's why 2 times 9. Another one digit is not having bar, so that 1 time 0 is placed. So finally we got 990 in the denominator. Am I correct? So in this way we have to do. Since we have 2 digits under the bar, 2 times 9 I must write in the denominator. When one digit in the decimal part is not under the bar here, that means this 4 is not having a bar now for it. That is only one digit is not having a bar in the decimal part. That's why 1 time 0 we have to write to side of 99. That only called as 990. Then 442 minus 4, 438 by 990. With 2 table if we cancel, here we have got 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 18, 2 9s are 18. Again, 2 4s are 8 filled in the 9, 19, 2 9s are 18. Again 1 remains 10, 2 5s so 10. Then we got 219 by 495. This is a vulgar fraction which is equivalent to the given question, 0.442 bar. So in this way we have to do the sums which are given. I hope it is very clear for you, students. In the next meet we will discuss other part of the teachings. Take care of yourself, children. Please complete all these writings, and you should learn also for the coming examinations. Okay, students? Thank you.